All right, it's Memorial Day weekend. Saturday we got an open house about a quarter mile back that way. It's a condo community, 55 plus community. Now, ooh, here you go. How you doing? Oh, oh. You want me to come around? Oh, no problem, man. Here you go. Good. I'm a real estate agent. We're selling one of the properties in there, so I'm helping out. Oh, I just wanted to give you.
Sure.
There goes my card,
Thanks.
some information about it. You visiting?
My aunt lives here.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah. Well, if you have any other aunts that would like to move in,
I'll be sure to let them know.
Yes, definitely, man.
I'm unfortunately not of the age that I can.
yes, of
buy
course.
here.
I know it's a very nice area.
They're
but
very nice units, so I
Yeah.
don't think you'll have a hard time selling them.
it, yeah.
And I think they're relatively inexpensive.
Yeah, it's not bad. This one's on for $375. How long has your aunt been here?
Since '99.
99. Okay, she probably paid a little bit less.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you from the area yourself?
I live in Concord.
Concord? Okay, yeah. If you rent, own?
I rent right now.
Okay. Any plans to move anytime soon?
No, not really.
Good, cheap rent, right?
I got a really good deal, so
Nothing wrong with that.
I'm gonna keep it for a while. But,
Exactly.
I mean, eventually I'm
No.
looking to buy. So.
I do the same thing, man. I had in Salem, Massachusetts, apartment that was super cheap. I'm talking like 30% under market value compared to everybody else. I didn't leave. Stayed there for as long as possible, saved up, and then moved on to the multifamily. Yeah.
To do it.
All right, man. Hey, thank you, man.
luck.
Sorry, my hands are full. All right,
Thanks.
no problem. All right. So yeah, I was saying Memorial Day weekend, right? Not a lot of activity. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come out here to the corner, all right, the main busiest road. Got my American flag with me, and I'm just gonna wave down people, and I'm gonna give them listing sheets, and I'm gonna tell them to move in with their friends and family. How you doing? Ah, missed them. You guys are distracting me. I gotta get back to work.